5 side hustles you can start today to boost your income. In today's world, having a single income stream is no longer enough for many people. With rising living costs, unexpected expenses, and the desire to reach financial goals faster, many individuals are turning to side hustles as a way to supplement their income. Fortunately, the internet has made it easier than ever to tap into side gigs that not only offer flexibility, but also have the potential to scale into full-time ventures if you choose to invest more time and energy. If you've been wondering how to earn extra money on the side, you're in the right place. In this episode, WealthRise is sharing 5 side hustles that you can start today to boost your income. Whether you're saving for a big purchase, building an emergency fund, or just looking to improve your financial situation, these hustles can give you the financial boost you need. These options require minimal upfront investment and can fit into your schedule, whether you're working a full-time job, attending school, or managing family responsibilities. In the episode, we'll not only explain each side hustle in detail, but also provide tips and resources to help you get started, along with advice on how to stay consistent and scale your side hustle. But before we dive into these side hustle ideas, we want to remind you to like, share, comment, and subscribe if you find this content helpful. Your support helps us reach more people like you who are looking to improve their financial situation, and it motivates us to keep creating valuable content to help you achieve financial freedom. So, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on future episodes. Now, let's get into the 5 side hustles you can start today. 1. Freelance writing. Share your knowledge and skills. If you have a way with words and a passion for writing, freelance writing could be the perfect side hustle for you. The demand for content is growing, and businesses, bloggers, and websites are constantly looking for writers to help produce high-quality articles, blogs, and even social media content. Why freelance writing? Low barrier to entry. You don't need a degree in journalism or a fancy writing background to get started. If you're comfortable with writing and can produce clear, engaging content, you can begin offering your services. Flexible hours. You can work from home or anywhere with an internet connection. Freelance writing allows you to set your own schedule, which means you can easily balance it with your full-time job or other commitments. High earning potential. As you build a portfolio and reputation, you can charge higher rates for your writing. Plus, you can scale your income by taking on more clients or specializing in a niche, e.g. copywriting, technical writing, or SEO writing. How to get started? Sign up for freelance platforms. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and freelancer.com are great places to find clients. Start by offering your services at competitive rates to build a portfolio and get positive reviews. Network and pitch. Reach out to small businesses or entrepreneurs who might need writing services. You can even pitch article ideas to established blogs or magazines within your niche. Improve your writing skills. If you're new to writing or want to improve, consider taking online courses or reading books on writing to enhance your skills. With dedication, freelance writing can turn into a profitable side hustle that offers both flexibility and the ability to work on exciting projects. 2. Online tutoring. Help others and earn money. If you have expertise in a specific subject, whether it's math, science, English, or even test prep, online tutoring can be a highly rewarding and lucrative side hustle. With the rise of online education, there are more opportunities than ever to teach students from around the world, all from the comfort of your home. Why online tutoring? Flexible hours. You can choose when you want to work, whether it's evenings, weekends, or during your lunch break. This makes it easy to fit tutoring into your schedule. High demand. With the shift to remote learning, there's an increasing demand for online tutors. Parents and students are eager to find qualified tutors to help with academic subjects, standardized tests, or even specialized skills like language learning. Earning potential. Depending on the subject you teach, online tutoring can pay well. Specialized subjects like math or computer science can command higher rates, and tutors with experience and strong reviews can charge even more. How to get started? Join online tutoring platforms. Websites like VIPKid, Chegg Tutors, or Wisent are popular platforms for finding students. These platforms typically handle payment and marketing for you, so you can focus on teaching. Create a profile and market yourself. If you want to build a personal tutoring business, create a profile on platforms like LinkedIn or social media and offer your services directly to potential clients. Get certified. If you want to increase your credibility, consider obtaining certification in teaching or tutoring, which can help you stand out and charge premium rates. Online tutoring not only allows you to earn extra income, but it also provides a sense of fulfillment by helping others succeed academically. 3. Dropshipping. Start an online business with minimal risk. Dropshipping is one of the easiest ways to start an e-commerce business without having to invest in inventory or manage shipping. In this model, you set up an online store, promote products, and when someone makes a purchase, the supplier ships the item directly to the customer. This means you never have to handle the products yourself. Why dropshipping? Low startup costs. Unlike traditional e-commerce, you don't need to buy inventory up front. You only pay for products after you've made a sale, making this a low-risk side hustle. Scalability. Dropshipping has the potential to grow into a full-time business. With the right marketing and product selection, you could build a profitable e-commerce store. Flexibility. You can operate your dropshipping business from anywhere, and you can work on it during your free time. How to get started. Choose a niche. Pick a product category that interests you and has demand but isn't overly saturated. You can sell anything from gadgets to clothing or beauty products. Set up an online store. Platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce make it easy to create an online store. They also offer integration with dropshipping suppliers like Oberlo or Spocket, which can handle product sourcing for you. Market your store. Use social media, paid ads, or influencer marketing to drive traffic to your store. Building a strong brand and offering high-quality products is key to making your dropshipping business successful. While dropshipping requires some initial setup and marketing, it can eventually turn into a profitable and scalable side hustle. 4. Virtual assistant. Offer administrative support from anywhere. If you have strong organizational and administrative skills, becoming a virtual assistant, VA, can be an ideal side hustle. Many entrepreneurs and small businesses need help managing their day-to-day tasks, and VAs can offer services such as email management, customer support, scheduling, social media management, and more. Why virtual assistants? Growing demand. As more people start businesses or work remotely, the demand for virtual assistants continues to grow. Many business owners need someone they can trust to handle administrative tasks so they can focus on growing their business. Flexibility. Virtual assistants often work on a contract basis, so you can choose how many clients to take on and when you want to work. Diverse range of tasks. Virtual assistants can offer a wide range of services, such as managing emails, creating content, handling customer inquiries, and even bookkeeping. The more skills you have, the higher your earning potential. How to get started. Create a profile. Platforms like Upwork and Freelancer allow you to create a profile and showcase your services. You can also join Facebook groups or LinkedIn to network and find potential clients. Offer specialized services. If you have skills in social media management, project management, or graphic design, consider offering specialized services to attract higher-paying clients. Set clear boundaries. As a virtual assistant, it's essential to set clear boundaries with clients regarding hours of work and communication methods. Becoming a virtual assistant allows you to leverage your organizational skills to help others while earning money from home. Number 5, content creation. Share your passion and build an audience. If you enjoy creating episodes, writing, or sharing your expertise, content creation can be a highly rewarding side hustle. With platforms like YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and blogs, there are countless ways to monetize your content and build an engaged audience. Why content creation? Creative freedom. You can create content about anything you're passionate about, from fitness and cooking to finance and travel. Multiple revenue streams. Once you've built an audience, you can monetize your content through ads, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and selling your own products or services. Long-term earning potential. Content creation allows you to earn passive income over time as your content continues to be viewed and shared. How to get started. Pick a platform. Decide where you want to create content. YouTube is great for episodes, Instagram and TikTok for short-form content, and blogging for written content. Find your niche. Choose a niche you're passionate about and one that has an engaged audience. Your niche will help you attract loyal followers. Consistency is key. Building a following takes time, so consistency is important. Post regularly and engage with your audience to build a strong community. Content creation can take time to build, but once you've established yourself, the earning potential is significant, and it can even turn into a full-time business. Conclusion: no matter your skills or interests, there's a side hustle out there that can help you boost your income and work toward financial freedom. Whether it's freelancing, tutoring, dropshipping, virtual assistants, or content creation, the key is to start small, stay consistent, and continuously improve. If you found these side hustle ideas helpful, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to WealthRise for more valuable financial tips and strategies. Your support helps us create more content to help people like you improve their financial situation and build the life they've always wanted. Start today, and remember, every little bit counts when it comes to growing your income.